Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, or welcome if you are new. Join us tonight for our trick-or-treat special. This is my handsome little man. He was a fireman this year. And let's get into it. This is our trunk-or-treat that was held downtown in the city we live in. So let's get trick-or-treating.
Trick-or-treat?
Yeah.
Trick-or-treat! Hey, wait a minute. You need one of these, buddy. You need one of these on that jacket. You're a Merced County firefighter now. There you go. Thank you.
Mommy. Cheese.
Oh, trick-or-treat!
She's Jessie.
What's up, buddy? Hi. Is the candy for you or your mom?
Me.
All right. Where's your bag? Right here.
Right.
Good job, brother. Thank you.
Hey, go to the fire department right there. Get another hat.
I think you need a bigger one.
That's what I got.
Hey, buddy. I like your costume.
Now what?
He just got made a honor roll over here.
Oh wow! Not bad.
Ooh. Another one, Mommy. Another one. Mommy. Another one, Mommy.
Yeah, that one's cute, huh? Careful, careful, honey. She's taking a picture, B.
I don't even know him, but I know he's a good person.
Put it.
I haven't seen him.
Come on, Titi.
Hi. Where's your dad? Oh, okay. There you go.
Mommy, okay.
Okay.
Oh, yeah.
Come here.
7-7.
What's her strength?
I know. They're doing.
You wanna take here? Come here and take a picture right here. This is cute.
I know you do. It's better. Look at the phone.
Smile. Smile.
Cheese.
You're such a ham. Come on, B.
Come on. More tea.
There you go.
More. I am uncle.
There you go. There's one right here. Over here. Right here, Bud. Bud.
I got it over here.
Brance, over here.
Oh. There you go. Irene. And bye.
Okay.
Bye. Bye, Irene. Another one. Go. Mommy.
I know. I was trying to kill it.
Come on, Mommy.
I think
More, Mommy. More, Mommy.
What?
More.
Yeah.
Wow.
Sure. Here, you can put it in your baggie?
Yeah, please.
Okay.
I'm
Say thank you. Okay, over here. Branson, you passed the candy. You passed the candy. Oh. Look, who's right there? Who's right there? You see Tia? You see Tia?
Not barbecue, whatever you call it. I guess.
Branson, I'll take it. How are you? What do you say? But it ain't having color like that. I'll take it.
More candy, mommy.
More candy?
Yeah.
Who's over here? Do you know somebody over here?
Hey! Oh, there's our love there.
Mommy,
Oh, good job. Okay, let's go.
mommy.
Are you gonna play? Yes. Come on, let's go.
Hold on, Beach. You're fine.
Yay! Good job. You guys gonna shoot? Come on, one more. Come on. Make it. One more. Oh my God, the puppy's so cute.
Come on, Bee, you can do it.
Come on.
Oh!
Almost so close. Hit the rim. You got a kid. Come on, keep on going. You're gonna keep on going. Oh, sorry, I'm getting.
Oh, you're fine. Go! You gotta aim for the hoop, kid. No, you do, honey. Go up and get a candy. What'd you do? Take like a what? Don't walk in front of people. Did they give you all that, or did you just take it? Oh my God, kid. Okay, come on.
More candy. More.
Over here, Bish. Hi.
Oh my gosh, she's getting big.
I know.
Hi, firefighter.
Hi. Mommy.
I know.
I love you.
Come on.
Come here, mommy.
Come here. Hey. Stop walking in front of people.
Come.
Stop walking in front of people.
Hi. When you eat
Go ahead, Bee.
Esa va a quedar, va a llegar.
Good job, buddy. You want to get some candy?
Ugh, mommy.
Baby. Go right there.
How do you mean?
Right in the hat. Right behind him.
Put the turn. No, keep walking. There you go.
Hi.